you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally back. If you have noticed the nice quality I have, I did end up getting a new camera. I am working, I'm gonna just leave it all on the bottom. Let's just do that. Let's just get right into this video. So I'm gonna be doing a spring look. It's going to be featuring the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I love this palette. I feel like it has the perfect amount of spring to even fall summery ratio of colors. Like, I've used it a few times already, but look at that. That is just, and this mirror, A1 steak sauce. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using these colors. Mine, I'm probably going to be creating more of a warm spring color for sure, just because it's something easy to do and one, simple and fast, and that's what we're going for. And I'm mostly going to be doing the eyes and focus less on the face. I will most definitely will be doing like a I keep looking into the lens. Like, it's awesome to have a camera where you can see yourself and you know you're in focus. But all I'm saying is I'm going to be doing a no makeup look. The eyes are going to be more glammed up than anything. The lips are going to be pretty nude. But yeah, so let's get right on to the video. Okay, so we are going to be starting off with the eyes. As you guys can see, my brows are already done. I just wanted to do a light fill-in just for the simple fact that my brows, I don't like spending that much time on my brows, and if I can get it to that point where I don't have to spend a lot of time, I thank the brow gods. That's what I do. I am gonna go and prime my lids first. I need, oh, here it is. I am using the NYX Above and Beyond concealer. It took me forever to say that. It's in the color medium, if you guys can see that. If you can't, I'm sorry, but whatever. So I'm just gonna go in and use my handy dandy tools that God gave me. Next thing I am going to do is just set the eye with my Makeup Revolution luxury powder, the banana powder. I just love this powder because it's so fine. It's like so fine. So fine. So I'm gonna go in with Pancake from the I like to leave this on because I feel like it keeps the little plastic thing. I feel like it just keeps it from mixing. I don't know, I'm weird. But anyway, so we're gonna go in with Pancake right there. So we're just gonna go over the whole lid just because it's gonna just neutralize everything and just warm up the eye, and also take care of that little coating that that concealer and powder left behind. So let's just get it all to one neutral color, and then I'm just gonna go in the other eye. Just to get that all on one accord. See, and now my lids are neutral and they look good. And it just takes a quick step. I like that step. The next color I am going to go in with is Spice. Ooh, how did that happen? I already put a dent in it. Spice is like a nice warm, super warm color that I like. Tap that off, and I'm gonna create me a crease with my hooded lids. Funny enough, I'm gonna share a secret with you guys. Like, I know it's hard to like do your eyeshadow when you have hooded lids, but what I depend on is actually the angle of the mirror. I feel like the way I hold my mirror helps out better with the angle on how I apply my makeup. And usually when I hold the mirror from like a lower angle and like I'm looking down in the mirror, I can see a crease, whereas when it's face on, I can't see anything, you know. Now I am going to go in with Connie, which is this very purple, like spring. I feel like purples are very popular in the springtime. You know what I'm talking about? No? Okay. Well, keep watching. And I'm just gonna pat that purple in the corner just to deepen up some stuff. But then I'm gonna start patting it inward, but just keep it in the crease just to add that definition. The thing I like about this palette, outside of that, you don't have tons of fallout ever. Color right there, if you guys can see that. Focus, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that. I'm going to be using a flat brush that I can find, obviously. Just the only thing I hate about doing my eyeshadow is when my eye decides to act up. I am going to finish off my eyes really quick with my Maybelline Falsies Flare. There it is for you. I love this brush because it really does a good job of lifting my lashes because the applicator is actually curved. So I like that. And I'm not going to be doing any falsies or anything. One, because falsies take too much of my time. And two, I want to enjoy my eyeshadow because I feel like falsies take up too much space sometimes. Yay! I'm going to just do like a slight smudge under my eye just to add some more, you know, razzle dazzle basically. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my best friend that helps me achieve this look. We're going to give a shout out for her. Let her come to the stage. Hold on. Oh my God, hey girl. Oh my God, look, hey. This is LA Pro Conceal. She makes me look beautiful. This is, you know, Cool Tan. You know, my fave. I like this concealer, like especially as an affordable concealer. It really does a good job of, you know, hiding my blemishes. So I just go all over where my dark spots are, because I have tons of them. I lose most of my dark spots in the summer. In the winter, I just feel like my skin is terrible. So let me just get that too, because that's not cool. And I'm going to actually use this nice fluffy pink foundation brush. I like this brush. And just go ahead and blend everything out. Even though this is like this concealer is like a good match for my skin. Like if it was a foundation, I would buy it. But I do like to warm up my face, especially for spring. So I am going to go in with my Black Radiance finishing powder in the color Golden Almond. Well, pressed powder. And I'm going to just go over my whole entire face with that because it works. Okay, so now that I brought the color back into my face, I'm going to go ahead and do a light contouring with the itsmyrayeraye palette. The color that works for me most is Mocha, just because, and it's funny enough, it's not really like a harsh contour, which I really like. It's more of a lighter one that looks super natural. So I'm going to go ahead and take my contouring brush by e.l.f. I'm just gonna go in that back and forth motions just to get the brush settled, and then I'm gonna do a stamp method and just stamp where the outline is going to go. And I feel like this contour brush is so good for like the nose because it's just a straight shot. Okay, so now that I'm basically almost done, you know what we're about to do? We're about to glow and highlight and blush the face up. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Partay blush. I'm gonna go in with one of my next favorite brushes to do my blush. This is a nice little springy blush. You guys seen me use this before if you've been watching most of my videos. I like to do circular motions up here because it just works. I love this color for the main reason it is so light, but it's noticeable, but at the same time it's light enough where you don't even have to be like, oh my god, is this too much blush? This is like a perfect amount. And then we're gonna go ahead and take my favorite highlighting brush and go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with the highlight that's called Radiant. I love this rose gold color. Like, I wish this palette came out around my graduation time. Ooh, my face would have been beat. I'll get up in that brow situation. Ooh, baby. Ooh, that highlight's pretty. If you guys hear noise in the background, it's my boyfriend playing basketball in our apartment. Yes, because that's what we do. So I'm just gonna highlight my nose, highlight mid, like a little bit above my bridge, just because that works for me. And that's it on that note. Ooh, oh, it's messing this thing up. So that's what we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face. I usually put on like, I'm going to be putting on a lip gloss, but we're just gonna focus on the lips after this. They're gonna be a nude lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Makeup Revolution my Pro Fixing Spray, basically. And what I like to do after I spray on all that spray, I like to go in with my a blending sponge and just go ahead and dab it to give everything on my face more of a skin-like finish. I also like to go back in with my highlighter sometimes. I feel like this is a really good tip to follow if you have dry skin, because dry skin needs all the moisture it can get. So I'm gonna go back in with my Radiant highlight. Just a little bit more. Because if you're not glowing, what are you doing with your life? But I'm gonna go ahead and get me my lip gloss, and I'll be right back to show you guys. Welcome back, you guys. So I got my lip gloss and my lip liner. I'm going to be using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color, what is this color called? Alabama. So this is Alabama right here. Oh, my hand is so ashy. Sorry, don't judge me. And then I'm going to go in Peach Cobbler, the Butter Gloss by NYX as well. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips first because, you know. So there's my lips, but I'm kind of mad at myself now because now I kind of want to do more of a brownish type of lip, because that's just something I want to do. But I'm not going to change the atmosphere because, yeah, I think I should have did like a brownish lip though. I'm judging myself, you guys, but whatever. Then we're gonna go in with the lip gloss by NYX. I love this lip gloss for the fact that it's super opaque, but at the same time it can be so translucent as well. So this is the finished spring look on my face. Let's zoom in. Alright, this is the look. And if you guys like this look and you like this video, you already know what to do. You need to do 3 things. You should just do them, you know, without me having to say them. But it's whatever, okay? But it's whatever. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for the people who have been supporting me. I am at 83 subscribers. I know that seems small to other people, but considering my late inconsistency, and I'm trying to get back up on. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my channel. Thank you, you guys, so much. Bye bye.